I'm now officially YouTube partner. We are now monetized on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing fine. If it's your first time here, my name is called Temitayo and you're welcome to my channel. Oh my goodness sake, I'm so happy to do this video. I'm so happy because God has been faithful. It's not an easy journey. Oh, glory be to God. Like your guy is about close to 2 years on this channel. Yeah, I think it's 1 year and 9 months on this YouTube. Me being a YouTuber so far. All right, let's talk about this journey. I'll be talking about my journey on YouTube, how I find my niche or how I found my niche, and I'm going to talk about the journey of being monetized on YouTube. Before we talk about this journey, let's watch my very first video on YouTube. And today I want to show you how to make pepper suya. Not pepper soup, oh, pepper suya. You know that pepper we used to put on suya. So let's quickly go into it. I've already prepared everything down because of time. I don't want the video to be long. So I will just show you what and what you need. So let's get into it. Alright guys, I think I need to short it because I don't want this video to be so long. If you really want to watch it to the end, scroll it down and watch what I did on my very first video. About my journey on YouTube, I have no idea about what it's called to be a YouTuber. I have no idea about you editing video, anything called thumbnail, anything called niche, anything called anything about YouTube. I know nothing about it. I just do the video and I uploaded the video and I say anything that I want in PG English. All right. How did I get into YouTube of a thing? I've been saying to my videos how the journey started so far. I opened this YouTube 2019 then, but I didn't uploaded any video at all. So move forward to 2023, that is last year, and I started uploading video, and that is my very first video on YouTube. All right, how did I come about my editing? How did I get about thumbnail? How did I know more about YouTube now? All right. I think one thing about YouTube is that you have to take YouTube as a business. You know, if you want to go into business, you have to know the in and outs of the business you're about to move in. You have to know the disadvantages, you have to know the advantages, you have to know the ups, you have to know the down of the business you're about to enter. Exactly the same thing as you being a YouTuber. You have to know what you're about to get in. You have to learn a lot of things about YouTube. Let me tell you guys something. There are thousands of YouTubers. Like there are many people on the niche you're about to put yourself in. I haven't seen anything new on YouTube that okay, this is the first person to do this, and nobody is trying to, I don't want to use the word copy. Nobody is trying to do the same thing as a person. If you find any niche of yours at all, someone have been doing it. So there are thousands of people on the niche you're about to enter or that you have entered. You just have to find yourself, find your best to do more so that you can get what you want on YouTube. Up to now, it's not that easy. It is not that easy at all to be a YouTuber. So you don't think that, okay, to be a YouTuber is just to film and upload it. You have to learn more. You have to learn more about editing. You have to learn more about thumbnail. You have to learn more about tags, description, end screen, cards, something like that. So you have to learn more about YouTube before you get inside. I started learning more about this stuff, especially about editing, because I want my editing to be good. I know that I have to get to that level of, yeah, I'm not best in all YouTube, but I can say I know how to edit. Yeah, so you just have to get yourself to know more about editing. There are free applications to use about editing. They're the one you can be paying every month. They're the one you can be paying every year. Just have to find one that you know how to use best. All right, about thumbnails. I can say I've learned more about thumbnail. Like thumbnail, oh my god, I love to make thumbnail a lot. Thumbnails, yeah, I love to make thumbnails a lot. So I've learned about thumbnails, still learning more, but I know that yeah, I can make good thumbnail. It depends on the video you are making. Let's move straight to how I find my niche or I found my niche. Let me say this, to find your niche on YouTube is not easy. There are many lifestyle content creators on YouTube. That is, you have a lot of rival on your niche. So to understand yourself on your niche is what you have to aim for, is what you have to focus on, and it's not an easy job. Up till now, I haven't found my main niche that I really want to be. You know, there's a way between you being a lifestyle content creator. Like, okay, I just focus on cleaning motivation. Okay, I just focus on carry people along with me of everything that I'm doing on my daily activities. About my niche is about going to the store for grocery, arrange the grocery, make food, clean house, make stuff about lifestyle, about what you are doing day to day activities. But I don't upload everything. Normally, you don't have to show everything. Just show what you know you can do best. One of my hobby is cooking, so I love to cook a lot. I love to cook a lot. Then I added it to my niche and move forward. How did I monetize on this platform? Monetization. For it to be monetized on YouTube, you have to get to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours during the 365 days. That is through your 1 year on YouTube. You have to get to this. If you don't get to it, YouTube are going to be removing some of your watch hours. Like if you get to 1 year and a half, they are going to be removing your watch hours little by little, not that much. You are not going to feel it much if you keep uploading video. But if you stop uploading video, your watch hour is going to go down. That is why they said YouTube is about consistency. You have to continue uploading your video so that your watch hour is not going to pain you. Like when I first clocked 1,000 subscribers, I was so happy. Then my watch hour was about 1,000 plus then, and I have to get to 4,000 watch hour. Oh my god! Like I still have to go about 2,000 plus watch hours. Like I haven't get to half of the 4,000 watch hours. Oh my goodness sake! It's not easy. It's not an easy way. It's not an easy road, yeah, to be monetized on YouTube. If God really quick do it for you, like you find your niche on YouTube, then you be consistent on it. God do it for you, can be monetized in 1 year, in 6 months, like 1 year up, you can be monetized. There are people that say they monetize like 5 years, 3 years, 2 years up. So it is not by your power that you quick monetize about 6 months on YouTube or 1 year on YouTube. It is grace. Yeah, and you being consistent on what you are doing. So I didn't get the 4,000 watch hours on my 1 year on YouTube. I have to continue uploading. There was a time, I think August, I was about to give up. I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. It's so stressful. It takes my time a lot. Before I would think about the videos a day I want to bring out, before I do this, before I do that, I was like, no, I'm not doing this anymore. So my hubby was like, you have been trying to do this. So continue what you are doing. And I look so far like I was like, Kimitayo, you've done a lot for yourself. So you just have to continue on what you are doing. I don't like to give up quickly, but I love to take break when I feel like I don't feel like doing this thing, so I come back. But my hobby was like, okay, you can just take break about sometimes. So I took break for 2 weeks. So I traveled. Unfortunately, I wanted to be uploading my traveling vlog, but my camera got spoiled on the journey, so I couldn't upload anything about my traveling. So when I came back home, I started doing what I'm doing on my channel, and here we are today. All glory be to God. One of my YouTubers, she was like, you don't need to give up, just continue, be doing live videos, something like that. So I put myself in live video. So as a YouTuber, you have to be doing live stream because your videos is not going to get to the 4,000, the almighty 4,000 watch hours that you really need, because it's so easy to get to 1,000 subscribers. If someone should tell me that I should take between 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that which one is faster to get, I will say 1,000 watch hours. You feel like can promote your channel to get to subscribers, but you cannot promote your watch hour because you need people to watch your video for you to get to 4,000 watch hours. That 4,000 watch hour is not easy. So you just have to continue posting your video. And yeah, today we can say we are now monetized on YouTube. Let me announce this to you guys. You can support a girl by sending me some superstar. Your girl have done enough now. Our giveaway will soon be coming around. And there is a space for my membership. You can join my membership by clicking on the join on my name, in front of my name. Then you join the membership. There will be some perks attached to your name. There will be more gifts for my membership, and there will be separate video for my membership, because I want to ready for you guys. I didn't want to ready for my membership because anyone that joined my membership, there will be gift, there will be separate videos, there will be text attached to your name whenever you comment or whenever you come to my live stream or anything at all. because members are part of creators' lives. So you're part of me. You can ask me anything. Like I want to take my membership so close to me. I really want to flow with you guys. You can ask me anything. I can make any video for you guys, separate videos. That will be for my membership. Like my membership are up here. So very soon I will make a video for my membership. All right, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So you guys should stay well, stay tuned, and bye.